Hi guys, I'm still here with another tutorial about interstitial. I do it because some people write me and request to make a more simple and more clear tutorial about interstitial. I hope I can do it good. Okay, we can start. Okay, first thing we need to understand what is an interstitial. Interstitial is a web page or a room in this case about the game maker game. It is a room or web page between two rooms. You can see in this picture you have the starting room, the normal traffic flow go to the other page, and we have between the interstitial. In the interstitial there is the publicity, and we will see how put it in our game. Okay, next. How look at interstitial? Okay, the interstitial is on this square, the big square you see. The interstitial is on in all screen, in a whole screen, and we have here we have a banner. Banner is little, and you can see your game or your website. In interstitial, no, because interstitial is on whole the screen. Okay. We have three types of interstitial. We have the text interstitial, like this. You see text, 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 word, 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 word. We have interstitial with image, okay, and we have interstitial with video. Okay, this is a pic, but you can see it's a pic about a video. Generally, I use the video with the image because video I think is so invasive. But this is your choice. Another important things to say about interstitial is you earn money just with people click on the interstitial. You need the people click, not just see it, but need click to have money. Okay, that's all. Now I explain you how download the Google extension for interstitial, and also I explain how set the adMob ID and how put the code in GameMaker. Okay, we can start. For first thing, we need download the adMob extension. Downloading the adMob extension is very easy. We open our GameMaker and we go on the tutorial, non demos, sorry, demos, I won't mean demos, and click about in ad providers. In ad providers, we must click in Google Mobile ADS. Okay, now we must open the demo. On the demo, we find the extension, and now we'll try to run the program. The program, of course, now don't work, but you see, this is the loading into you see. I try to run the program, but is don't work. But it's not important for now. Okay, let's go. We see the extension. You see the Google Mobile ADS extension. See it. Okay, this is the whole the Google Mobile extension. And now we click the right button and go in export extension. Okay, and we need save the extension. We can give the name we want. For example, I say adMob and I save it. Okay, okay, you see on the dashboard
GM adMob, adMob. Okay, we have the extension. Okay, now we open again GameMaker and we open the our project, the project where I want to put the interstitial. In my case, is a platform Torah. Okay, okay, is open. Now we go in extension. Now extension is empty in this scatter. We click the right button and go in import extension. Okay, we go in on the desktop where I I put the extension we had saved and click on the Google GM adMob, and voila, we have the Google Mobile extension for adMob in our project. Okay, you see, the first step is end. Okay guys, now we need to register in adMob. It's very simple, find the adMob, just write adMob in Google, and I don't show how register in adMob because it's very easy. When you register, we have this screen. Uh, you click in monetize and you have the other screen. My screen is in Italian, but is in English is the same. On the first option, you have the create app. Second option, add the app manually, and the third option as select from apps you have added, and you 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 have the second screen. You ovviamente you click on create app and you have this screen. You choose interstitial and we have um the type of the interstitial, just write, just illustrate, or video. You can choose just one, or you can choose a whole type. And here you need write the name of the publicity and go in save. Okay, in the third screen you have your ID publicity number. You have the name of the publicity vertical platform. I had script in the previously screen, and you have the ID number. This number we will see. We use this number on the code when is I delete my code because of course every code is personal and for every app is personal, but there is a very long number and we will see how will you will we use it. Okay, for adMod is hand. We click on complete and everything is do in adMob system.
Okay guys, we have our adMob and we had download the Google Mobile extension. Finally, we are ready to write the code for our interstitial. I had create a simple example. In this example, interstitial start just if a condition is true, but we will see it now. Okay, we will see it now. Okay, I have three room. First room is room 0. Uh, Room interstitial is the room where we will have the interstitial, and the room 1 is the last room. Okay, we have some object, of course, in the room. The first the first object we have is object point. Object point have these sprites. I write point to see it clear. Okay. In this object, just we build the points. We have the create event and score equal 0. Our point at the begin are 0, and we have the left pressed score plus 100. Every time we click on this object, the points will grow up from 100 about 100 points. Okay, and in this room we have also next room object. Next room object have this sprite. Go to next room. I write go to the next room. Every time we click here, we will go in the next room. Maybe in a room, interstitial room, maybe not, but we will see it now. Okay, there is a condition in create event left mouse or wait, sorry, maybe it's better. Okay, I see left mouse, but left pressed or left bottom mouse is better. We have this code with the condition if score is more than 500, room go to the room interstitial, or else if the score is minus 500, we go in the room 1. Okay. Okay, we will put the object on the room. Okay, points. We can see it where we want. And next room. Okay, when we will click here, the points will grow up every time about 100 points every time we click. And when we will click here, we go in the next room. If the points will be more of 500, we go in the interstitial room or in the hand room if are minus. And sorry, I need also another object to show the points on the room. I create this room without sprite. Draw event. We make the draw event. Okay. And we have this code. Draw text is the x, epsilon, and the string score to write the code. And draw set fonts. Draw set font and the name of the fonts. The fonts I do it. Wait, the fonts. The name of the font is font 0, and I have just to be more visibility, I do a 5 to 5, and you can say what you want. Okay, hello. Okay, we will put the show points. Show points. Show where you want, you put it. Okay, and in the room 1, in the no, sorry, we had created the other object. Is I call it back. The sprite the back is stats. You see the dark square with the right back on back. We see left pressed room go to room 0 because we will put this object in the room 1, not this room 1. Okay, now we will see. We will put it in the last room. Okay, back. Okay, and now we try to see if it's work. Of course, we will work. Okay, this is the score. Score is 0. This is the our object. When I click here, the points will grow up, and if I click here, we change the room. If the point is more than 500 points, we go in the interstitial room, uh, or if is less 500, we go in the hand room. Of course, now I don't. I will try to go in the hand room because I don't make nothing for interstitial. Okay, we are in this room. Back. We can back. We will back in the room 0. Okay. Okay. The system work. Now we will build the interstitial. Finally. Okay, we have the object without sprite. I call it charge int. We need to charge the interstitial. Okay, we go in head events, header, and room star. Okay, and you just copy what you see in this code. If OS equals OS Android, Google Mobile IDS and here where you will see the xxxxxxx, you must write the number from adMob. I write just xxx just because I don't want you to see my number adMob. But you must write your code about adMob, and you write Google Mobile ADS load interstitial, and that's variable load first, and okay, and now we have another event. You go in asynchronous, and there is social. Okay, social. You see social, and you copy this code var ident equals dsmap find value async load type, and if ident equal interstitial load loaded true. Okay, with this interstitial we load the interstitial, but we don't show it. We need just load interstitial. We will put this object in the first room, sure, because sometimes interstitial need a little bit time to be loaded, and I generally I put this object in the room when we play because have the time to be loaded. Okay, now we need an object to show the interstitial because that's just load interstitial. Okay, we have show interstitial, and okay, I call object to show interstitial. I call it show int. Okay, we go in create, and we have this code. Just the first line is just the first line show the interstitial. Okay, but we need create a system because we will put this object in a room, and we need create a system because the when we erase when the player of our game see interstitial will erase it or click it, will be in loop if we have not a system to change the room. Okay, I had to create. Okay, we write this first line to show interstitial. it's okay. And create a variable for create a system to change the room. Okay, we have change. I create the variable change room equals 15, and on step I have a system to change the room. Change room is minus 1, and if change room equal 0, room to go 0. We go in the room in the first room when after show the interstitial, when we erase the interstitial or we click in the interstitial, after see it, we go in the room 0. Okay, we can okay, we open room int and we have the interstitial here. I put the object to show interstitial here without sprite. Okay, now our example is complete. Just we need to check to if work. To check it, I need create a file apk and put it in my phone, because interstitial will not work here because it's just for Android, like we see about this code in load suite. You see if OS and equals OS Android. Okay, now I will show it how work in my phone. Okay, I had tried the example in my phone. The example work. I had recorded it. I will show it now. Okay, you remember if I click here, the point grow up in the point in the, and if I click in and go to the next room, I will go in the next room if the points are less 500. We don't go in the interstitial room. And now I will click in the next room. 500 is less, and you see go on the other room. Okay, I click for the back, and now I will try to click points, and for more 500 points, and I click to go to the next room, and you see we will have the interstitial. Okay, okay, okay. See, this is the interstitial. Okay, if I click, and now, sorry, I don't record it, but work. If I click on the X, we delete the interstitial, and we will back on this room. Okay, we will see the everything is work good. I hope I was clear in this. If someone have some question, can write me. That's all for now. Yes, goodbye.